Magandang gabi, ating mga netizens! I'm your most esteemed host, Mark Valentino. Welcome to Vlog Vlogon 25 Awards Show, live from Resorts World, Manila. I'm sure you're excited to discover the nominees for the Best Influenza of the Year 2025. Tara, let's roll the clips!
And I went to Providore in SM Ora for some affogato, or in Italia, it's called affogato. Ang cute lang how do you pronounce it. I really love this because they really complement each other. Like the bitterness of the coffee and the sweetness of the vanilla ice cream. So yummy talaga nito, guys. After this one, nag-crave kami sa isang croissant. Hirap na naman bigkasin. So we went to Flower in BGC. Look at the pastries. So dami. Ang daming pagpipilian. Sobrang sarap. We ordered here the salmon sandwich. So savory. And also this place is so Instagrammable. Look at the key lime pie. And also, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating fruit salad yogurt bowl. See you next vlog. Bye!
Hi guys! Mommy Beauty here! Glow inside with your effortless beauty. Lately, I have discovered this Ultra Cover Up Collagen Foundation with SPF 50. Let me show you how to apply it. Ang fresh, diba? I also use this care blush on for oil control. Just blend it properly. Amazing, no? It's really perfect for me. And for my essential lips, I use this pop red lipstick. For a little spark, I use LV brown eyeliner for a snatch look. This is so effortless. Kaya mag-check out na rin kayo so you'll be effortlessly beautiful like me.
Hey there, my lovely listeners. I am Shy, the Careless Whisperer, your OG ASMR queen. Welcome back to another soothing session with me. Let us hear a story with gentle whispers, soft tapping, and the sound of pure relaxation. Just let the sound wrap around you like a warm hug. I have a book here. Let's turn the pages together and feel the sound.
Oh, also, wait. I didn't get to show everyone like my entire model. I'm sorry, but we have to make room for it real quick. Can your model do this? Again and again. Strut, strut, strut. Look at that. See, I even have my own wind effect. Like, and I'm a strut, like right now. More passion, more energy, more passion. Fuck. Oh, and I can do this. I can do it. Watch. Bones, bones, dukes, 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 dukes. All right, I know. All right, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We live in a nation of plastic, isang republika ng plastic. At ang mga tao, at hindi ang mga taong tinutukoy ko, kundi ang plastic waste problem ng ating bansa. The Philippines produces 2.7 million tons of plastic waste kada taon and had the largest share of global plastic waste, which is 36.38%. Ano kayang pwede natin gawin para labanan ang krisis na to? Tara dito sa SMS Sure Mike Specials.
Ay, nagkakaroon ata sila ng technical difficulty. Parang hindi natin marinig yung announcer. Anong nangyayari? Baka na-mute.
Sa announcer.
Okay, there, sorry, with mute. Okay. And that, my friends, is just a preview of what is to come. Let's now enjoy the whining and dining tonight.
Ay, tama. Hey, girl, I heard so much much about you. I'm a real fan. I love your eyebrows.
Oh, thank you. I wish I could say the same. I don't know you kasi. Sorry ah.
The nerve.
Hello, mga friends. What you talking about? What's the tea?
None of your business.
Echuserang frog.
Ang ingay. This was supposed to be a regal. For a fine dining restaurant gets. Kaya iwan niyo mga pag-eskwami niyo.
Enough! Have some class. Let's all just act with some decency, please.
Who do you think you are? Akala mo kung sino ka. Feeling mo mananalo ka. Huwag ka nang umasa. Kakapal ng mukha. Oh my God. Oh.
Siyempre ako yung mananalo. My content, I mean to say, my documentaries are decent, unlike your trashy content.
All I could say is, anong foundation nyo? Ang kakapal kasi ng mga peslak nyo. Just wait and see. My beauty will outshine you all.
Hindi perfect mukhang aesthetic lang agad. Especially with those content, unlike mine, na naglalawin din sa tao sa company.
Ay, so boring. Dakdak ng dakdak. Wala namang dating. Tingnan nyo ako. Iinom lang ako ng tubig. Madadagdagan ako ng 5,000 followers. How's that for audience engagement?
Quantity versus quality. The number of simps you have does not correlate with the quality of your work.
Correlate? Big word. Di kami nare-relate sa content mo. Che!
Ay, nako.
Babaw ng content nyo.
Ay, nako.
Ay, naku.
Afogado.
Boring talaga.
Afogado.
Ako,
Pusong.
Kala mo naman kung sino nasisira tuloy.
cute
Ano
naman.
nagpapakita yung tunay kong
Passion,
ano.
hard-
Nagpapakita tuloy.
Wow.
Nasisira yung type ko.
Kakatawa
Quiet.
kayong panoorin. Parang talent show na walang talent.
Guys, quiet! Magsasalita na ang announcer.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. And in a surprising turn of events, after counting the votes, it turns out that we won't just be having one winner. The votes were distributed equally, so everyone wins.
Ano?
Ah,
Ha? Ang corny naman.
What is the meaning of this? I demand a recount.
consolation prize ba to? Participation medal?
Ano ba tayo, bata? Everybody wins?
From you.
The money will be split among all of you equally.
Nakakaloka!
Ang corny. Tara na nga, alis na tayo dito.
Yeah, let's go.
Ay, nakalimutan ko yung VTuber ko. Saglit.
Bye, announcer.
Bye!
Babush.
Bye. And with that, after they reconciled and eventually became close friends, they decided to do collabs together and raise funds through charity streams. They all learned that not money and fame is but lending their voice to the voiceless that matters most. The end.
Yay.
Mhm. Tapos dinonate pala din natin yung pera. Right?
Donate na.
All right,
Ay,
congratulations.
Congratulations. Akala ko magsasabunutan na sila eh.
Malapit-lapit na pa po.
Stop.
4 minutes pa.
Nag-vlogan pala talaga.
Yay.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang BR1.
Great work,
Talagang
everybody.
featured ang kanilang mga, hi guys!
Correct.
Mga promising vloggers na nandirito.
Akala ko mag-aaway na ng tuluyan. Wow, big word. Diba?
Naghihintay nga ako ng action eh.
Correct. Akala ko may mga explosions na mangyayari.
Oo, tas may tatawid ng Zoom nila para talaga sabunutan.
Totoo yan.
Yung arte-arte.
Pero diba, Mark ha, nako, tapusin mo to. Pinagbantaan. Potential si Mark ha. O, pwede mag-host si Mark. Si Mike din. Ayan.
Oo.
So, ito na tinatawag ng M&Ms, 'di ba? Bigyan ng segment nga tong dalawang to. Mike and Mark.
Mike and Mark.
Congratulations, BR number 1. Ayan, napakagaling naman ng ating mga voice mates. At syempre, huwag pahuhuli ang BR number